Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit a mobile site on Weebly. First, go and log into your account. Once in, on the left side panel, go to Website and choose Edit Site. Here, it will bring you to your site editor page. Now, to go on a mobile view, on the top ribbon, click on this desktop icon and click on the drop down. Now, from the options, choose mobile. Then, it will automatically be on a mobile view. To edit it, you can go on the left panel and go to different sections of your site. So you can go and customize it to your liking. For example, is changing the color style, also the color of your background. Then you can also add a logo, a navigation, and button. And change the color of it if you want to. Now you can also go to main banner, then here change its layout, its size, and also the color. Then you can also go to newsletter, to footer, and footer branding to also customize it. Then you can now go to its contents, and here you can edit them if you'd like to. Then your changes will be automatically saved by Weebly. Once done, you can now go and click on the Publish button on the top right. But that's just basically it. That's how you edit mobile site on Weebly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.